In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate an Agoda listing. If you're a property host and you no longer want your place to be visible or bookable on Agoda, deactivating the listing is the right move. Maybe you're renovating, taking a long break, or moving your property to another platform. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the typical process so you can confidently turn off bookings and remove your listing from public view. First, make sure you're signed in to your Agoda Homes or Agoda Property Partner account. Use a computer browser if you can, because the interface is usually clearer and gives you access to all the settings you need. Once you're logged in, head over to your main dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your properties, current reservations, and performance. From the dashboard, locate the property you want to deactivate. If you manage more than one listing, double-check that you're opening the correct one, because any changes you make will affect that property's availability and future bookings. Click into the property details to open its management page. Inside the property management area, look for the section related to status, availability, or listing settings. Depending on Agoda's current layout, this might be labeled as property status, listing status, availability, or something similar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page, because you'll often find related options like closing dates, editing rates, or temporarily blocking the calendar. There are usually two main approaches. One is to close your calendar so that no new bookings can be made, while still keeping the listing technically active in your account. The other is to fully deactivate or close the listing so it no longer appears in search results. For a full deactivation, look for an option that says something like Deactivate Listing, Close Property, or Stop Selling. When you find it, click that option. Agoda may ask you for a reason, such as renovation, permanent closure, or switching platforms. Choose the option that best matches your situation. You might also see a confirmation message explaining what will happen. For example, that your listing will no longer be visible to guests and no new bookings can be made. Carefully read any notes about existing reservations. Generally, you'll still need to honor current bookings unless you contact support to manage changes. Finally, confirm the action. Once confirmed, your Agoda listing should be deactivated. It's a good idea to refresh your dashboard and verify that the property now shows as closed or inactive, so you know the change has gone through correctly.